Hey Annalee, this is Brittany with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for letting me take the time to make you a quick educational video. I just wanted to go over some things with you today. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I was going over your website and stuff like that, and can I say that I absolutely love what you're doing. I've been reading on the projects and what happened with your story. I think it's amazing. I would love to show you some things that we could do that would help boost your online presence as well. Things that you could start utilizing right away. So the things I want to go over today with you are content, backlinks, and citations. So what content is, it's going to be made up of anything that's going to be on your front page, anything that's like the wording, photos, how these photos are saved, and what's behind the photos all make up your content. Now, with Google, they like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on a home page. And within that content, you want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So, a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. Now, that way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would be a big help. So I definitely recommend adding a lot more content to your front page. And I would recommend maybe taking these and making them more of like a their own like tab up here and getting more like about the projects and stuff on the front page for sure. Now, the next thing I put your information into this tool that we use here. So what this is going to do is it's going to be able to show me what your strength and your trust is with Google, the backlinks, and the keywords that you're ranking for. So right now you're only ranking for 5 keywords and there's no backlinks, and we need to definitely work on that strength and that trust. These are based on a scale of 100, and the best thing you want to do is try to raise them up but keep them also as even as possible. Now let's see. The way we want to utilize all this is to be able to get you on to Google ranking higher. So you want to be on the map pack here. This is the most important place to be because this is where your business is going to be found. Is the map pack and then the top, uh, like the top, like on Google, like listed on Google. Sorry, I got my dogs running around here. Um, I looked at a couple other websites. It's hard to find like an exact person that's going to be like considered your competition because you have some different things going on that I think are awesome that would be able to take those keywords and utilize them a lot easier. But see, they have quite a bit of content on the front page. So we definitely want to make sure that we add more of that content so we can add more of those keywords. Now looking at theirs over on this website, they have over 1,000 keywords and over 9,000 backlinks. So what we want to do is then look into their keywords, what would work for your business. Try to get the similar keywords to help you start ranking, to get those backlinks and help you start ranking with those as well. I looked up another business. I'm trying to find different things to just show you. This one definitely could use more content on their front page as well, but they also have some keywords and backlinks that they have going for them on this one as well. So we're able to see everything that they're ranking for, how well they're doing, and we want to take the same stuff and utilize it for your web page as well. So you want to also get citations. Now, what a citation is anywhere that your business name, phone number, they're listed on like things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, things like that. So basically, you want as much pointing back to your website as possible and to your business as possible. And make sure on your Google business profile that there's a description. You want all 100, like 750 words in that filled out. You want to use keywords throughout that section as well. So basically, it's just to build up as much as we can to get people searching for what you're doing, to be able to get you on to those front pages of Google. That's where we want to try to pull you up, and we can do it for different keywords that people are looking for. And especially with the different projects and stuff that you have going. I think that would be awesome to be able to try to utilize more of those keywords throughout your website to be able to get more people and more traffic for you. So once again, Annalee, I want to say thank you for letting me take the time to record this video for you. I am going to send this over with all of my information. If you do have any other questions, please go ahead and call me, text me, email me, whatever works best for you. And I would appreciate if we could just get some feedback on the video. That's all I ask. But other than that, thank you again for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And I can't wait to look more into like your Instagram and stuff and see more about your project. Thank you. Have a good one.